Aloha, mahalo for joining us. FishNGrillz boys coming at you. Chevy here.
Caleb.
Bringing you our first episode of
Fish and Science.
So for our first episode of Fish and Science, we're going to go a little bit more into detail with what Ciguatera is.
Ciguatera has been a hot topic, and we're going to discuss it and break it down for you. Stay tuned. What is Ciguatera?
It is a heat-stable lipid compound fatty acid that's stored in parts of the fish liver, intestine, stomach, and parts of the organ.
What is a heat-stable lipid compound fatty acid?
It's pretty much a fatty acid that's heat-resistant, that you can't get rid of it with heat. This fatty acid is caused by high intakes of dinoflagellates.
What is dinoflagellates?
Dinoflagellates is a single-celled microorganism that's created when two flagellas pair up.
What is a flagella?
A flagella is a microscopic structure-like organism that helps bacteria travel through water.
What is the cycle of Ciguatera?
Well, the cycle starts with the flagella carrying around the ocean bacteria. As two flagellas pair up, they evolve and become a dinoflagellate. Dinoflagellate travels around with a large number of marine plankton. These plankton, along with other dinoflagellates, are ingested by smaller marine life such as small fish and crustaceans. As these small marine life get ingested by bigger marine predators, the amount of dinoflagellates accumulates in parts of their body such as the liver, intestine, stomach, and head.
What are the dangers of Ciguatera?
The Ciguatera toxin is harmless to any fish, but is toxin to the human body. It is odorless, tasteless, and not visible to the human eye. It is heat resistant and there is no known antitoxin for it. There are about 50,000 cases of Ciguatera poisoning reported each year worldwide, and about 0.5 have been reported fatal, mainly in underdeveloped countries.
What are the signs of Ciguatera?
Well, the signs vary from person to person. Ciguatera will take effect on your body within 2 to maybe 24 hours after a high intake of the toxin, starting with the feeling of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, muscle pain, numbness, tingling, stomach aches, and dizziness. In most extreme cases, includes asthma, shortness of breath, extra salivating, watery eyes, chills, rash, itching, paralysis, and in some, even rare cases, extreme dehydration and death.
What are some remedies of Ciguatera?
Well, the body's first reaction is the best remedy, getting the toxin out as soon as possible through vomiting and diarrhea. Staying hydrated through drinking lots of fluids to help assist the body's reaction as it tries to get rid of the toxin. Taking pain medication as needed for the muscle pains, allergy medication needed for the itching and the rash breakouts. Though there are no antitoxins available, there are practical ways on how to get rid of the toxin and simple remedies to deal with the symptoms.
More information about Ciguatera.
In over 50 different countries and 400 species known worldwide of fish and other marine life are known to carry Ciguatera. There is no consistent record showing which fish or which area carry more or less of the toxin. Ciguatera amounts varies from fish to fish and from area to area. Most common fish known to have the toxin include barracudas, groupers, snappers, amberjacks, trevallys, eels, and mackerels. So pretty much any predator fish that eats plankton will have some amounts of Ciguatera. In most cases, only stored in parts of the liver and the intestines. As long as you clean the insides thoroughly, you should be fine. Yeah, so in my entire career of spearfishing, there's been a very bad reputation behind the roy. And, I wonder why. Roy is a very delicious meat. It's part of the grouper family. Very soft, flaky, sweet meat. But a lot of people have has that stigma of you're going to get sick if you eat the roy. Yeah, you could get sick if you eat any fish. You could get sick if you eat any chicken, pork. It's just that reputation behind roy has escalated over the years because he say, she say, everybody say, no, eat the roy. But I've eaten roy my entire life, never got sick, and just my experiences with Ciguatera, I've just only been hearing stories. 99% of the time, if you ingest it, it's such a small amount, so your body just get rid of it through your next poop. But I'm sure some of you out there has gotten sick, but I'm sure you're fine today.
And well, it looks like these days there's not enough accurate information to make any definitive conclusion about what fish may or may not have more than the other. But if you have any personal experiences, please feel free to share it with us, because this is going to be an ongoing project that we would like to present to the community to allow better understanding of Ciguatera. So if you have any more information, please feel free to contact us.
And always,
Catch and consume at your own risk.
Thank you for watching this episode of
FishNGrillz.